In this video, I'll show you how to search a message on Discord server on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you're going to do now, if you want to search a message on Discord or like on a Discord server, right? Let's say a specific message. What you're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your server, right? You can see this is the search option. I'm going to come on here. Let's say I want to search for, let's say, yes, right? So I'll click on yes here. I'll click on my enter. You'd see all the messages that contain yes, right? So you can see this message from him, this message from him as well. You can see, right? These are the messages with yes. You can still come on here. You can type in good, right? I click on the enter. You show the messages with good. There is 251 words, right? So this is how you can search a message in Discord server, right? Ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one. Thank you.